one's real small and easy, but this one coming up, well, it's gonna be a doozy. I even brought a shovel with me. I guess you're wondering why. Well, you see when we get there. All right, guys. So we arrived at the job. Kind of way outskirts. It took like 30 minutes to get out here. A long dirt road. Cleaners just finished up right before we showed up, which is good, and they did the vacuuming and all that stuff. He said he vacuumed it like 3 times, so you can imagine how bad it was. So I did have the shovel out, and I'll tell you why I have the shovel out. Because I came here last week and the water wasn't working. Hey! So I turned the water on and it definitely was thirsty. So I came here last week, water wasn't working, so I couldn't even do the job. You can tell the carpets are in pretty bad condition. You know, pet urine, just really heavily soiled. I mixed up some Sager sauce Code Red for this job. I may end up using it for the whole job. So we got some, I'm not sure what that gum or something, I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn on my little flasher right here, see if we got a little bit of light. We got a light for the top of my GoPro, so it's cool. So we got a light area right there. This room's actually not that bad. So if you would have seen this before it got vacuumed, then you would have knew what I was talking about. But as you can tell, this whole back area is all water damage. I'll treat it with some 20 volume just to help it out, and I'm not going to spend too much time on it because yeah, so we got some stuff here, not sure. We got some color, some more color, and more color, heavy saturation. So the reason why I needed the shovel is when I came in here and do the walk around initially last week, there was a couple big old piles of doo-doo prominently standing there, but the cleaners, I guess, had pried it out of there. He said it was pretty much part of the carpet, so it must have been there for a while. I'm not sure how people can overlook that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm real thankful they came and did a vacuum, and I could tell they did a really good vacuum, so I'm not going to worry about vacuuming on this job. I'm just going to focus on cleaning it the best I can. I'm going to spot all these red color stains. I'm gonna get all these pet urine stains. Luckily there isn't any odor, so well, there is a little bit, so I might do a little deodorizing in here too. All right, so we can get started. My helper slash owner, come on. She's my boss. All right, stay tuned. So I'm going to go through here right now, and I'm going to hit everything that looks like color. That actually looks like. And then I'm going to go through here and hit everything, all the urine. Spots. That's it for the colors. Now I'm gonna go to, this is water damager. Got the 20 volume here, and this helps with the pet stains and water damage and all that stuff. So I already told them that they pretty much needed to replace the carpet, but I will treat it for them. Not absolutely sure what that is, but I'm absolutely sure it ain't going nowhere. Okay, so now that I got it pre-sprayed, I've spotted all the stained areas. Now Brenda's gonna go to with the multi-wash and scrub everything. Well, I pull out the rest of the equipment, the hoses and everything. So yeah, I think that's everything. We'll see if there's anything left over. I'll just have to go back and hit it again. So stay tuned. That's pretty cool, huh? Right next to the front door. This little spot. Got his eggs in there. As soon as we turned on the water, he was over there. Alright, all done. So, carpets came out pretty good, you know, considering in most of the spots, but like in this back room here there's no hope for it. Those are staining and, you know, stains. Pet urine usually, or feces that's been there for too long, not treated, just dyed the carpet. Nothing we can do about that, guys. We can do what we do, and all that can be done. And it's not our fault that the carpet wasn't taken care of properly. So, so we do our best, you know, sanitize it, and don't let it eat at us. Cause I strive for perfection, and trust me, if I can't get everything out, it cannot be taken out. And I always tell my customers, if you hire somebody else and they can get rid of it, I'll give you 100% money back guarantee. So I stand behind my work. So yeah, it didn't come out too bad over here. I thought it was gonna come out a lot worse, but not bad. All right, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Let's go say goodbye to the friendly chicken here. See you later, chicken. Got a whole bunch of eggs sitting there right now. Alright, see you next video. Alright, so as I finished up, I noticed an odor that popped up. You know why? Because I had to change my filter that connects to the hose. I had to change it out 4 times because there was like cat litter at the bottom of the carpet or something, right? So as I clean it, it brings up that smell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use this product. I always keep on my van at least 1 or 2 for situations like this. Odor eliminator. It's it's a balm. It's like a fog. You can either set it off and walk away, or you can go through there and spray just like you would be spraying an aerosol deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I leave. I won't feel comfortable leaving that smell at all.